Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Today I'm going to share with you all how I go about pulling a perfect tattoo line. First and foremost, I want to kind of point out that I personally don't believe in perfect. I do believe in, however, doing the absolute best that we can do with what we have. So with that being said, let's get on into this. Considering machine, needle depth, hand speed, and voltage, I'm also considering the positioning of my hand. So I'm looking for the most comfortable position for the motion that I am about to pull for the line at hand, and this will vary per design. As you can see, I've committed to this line. I have my hand speed aligned with my voltage with the correct needle depth. I have my positioning comfortable for the motions that I'm making for this line at hand. So this is what it looks like. These are all of the variables that are working in unison to create perfect lines upon lining when tattooing. I also want to point out that what I'm sharing with you here can be applied to human skin, in which I'm actually going to show you in this video as well. Let's move to this clip real quick. So as you can see, I have my pinky and my ring finger down lightly on the surface with a little stretch going on, and I'm lightly sliding over the surface of the canvas that I'm tattooing using the needle tip to guide me, and I'm feeling for that needle tip and I'm feeling for that dermis. Moving over to human skin, as you can see, I'm going to approach it the same way. I like to hold my machine at about a 60-degree angle if I haven't mentioned that. As you can see, I'm filling out for a comfortable motion, in which I found naturally there. As you can see, I'm aligning my hand speed with my voltage with a consistent needle depth right there. All the way through, I'm committing to the line, and I'm able to achieve really nice, clean, consistent lines as you see right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you this process over and over to show you that as long as we stick to the fundamentals, that you can really follow through and achieve really nice, clean, consistent lines on your end. I feel that we gain confidence to pull a perfect tattoo line when we start aligning all of the variables. And some of the variables that I'm speaking about, again, are our hand speed with our voltage and the needle depth. But not only that, our hand positioning and the way that we are moving is the movements that we are making. Are they comfortable? Are we able to maneuver cleanly, smoothly with the motions that we are making? So all of these are very, very important variables to consider. How you're holding your machine is also another very important variable. Not only that, the angle of the needle is also another important variable. Being mindful of the fundamentals and the basics will give you the confidence that you need to go ahead and perfect your lining on your end. Just to go over one more time, some important variables that I'm thinking about upon pulling lines are my hand speed, my voltage, my needle depth, my needle angle, my positioning, and the movements that I'm going to be making. I'm also thinking about things like my ink flow, making sure that I have an adequate amount of ink. These are some of the main focuses that I'm thinking about upon pulling lines. I hope that I was able to assist you in a better direction here with this video. If you have any questions at all, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below, and I will assist you in the best possible direction. I have social medias all under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support on there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You all have a great day.